Hello guys, welcome to the second class. Now we are going to learn how to customize our WordPress website. In the class number 1, so we learned how to create our website and also how to create the database. Now we got something like this. So it is not very well, it is responsive in this moment, but it's not nice website. So now we are going to learn how to upload a website. Okay, first thing that we are going to do, some people asking me how the website is gonna be, so I'm going to show you this example. So in this case we are using a WordPress premium website, template. So I'm going to give you the link of the download for free. I just got this this template, so I buy this template, but I'm going to give you can use in your website. Okay, this is how it's going to be. So as you can see, here is a nice slider, some menu here, also in this area too. So here are some pictures, but you can customize your website as you like. Example, if you want to remove the color, so you can do that. So now we are going to learn all that information step by step. Okay, let's start with this class. In the video below of the description, so you will see a link where you are going to find the download information. Okay, first thing that we are going to do, we have to upload the template. Okay, I'm going to the downloads folder. Here is the zip file. So now I have to extract this this file before to upload. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and I'm going to enter in this folder. So as you can see here are some information of the template, but we will need this information. Okay, so we are going to select this information, the one which is it says social. So as you can see here are some PDF, PCD. This is a Photoshop that we can edit, but we will need this one. This is the child theme, but we are going to upload this one first. Okay, so first thing, so we have to select all these files. So be sure that you get all the files. Okay, perfect. So now we have to save in zip file. Okay, we are going to select zip and accept. So it will take a couple of seconds. Okay, perfect. So now we have our zip file. So we have to select and put it here. Then so we are going to select the other one. This is like the child theme, so maybe we are not going to need this. Okay, and this other one is XML. This is like examples, images and information. So we're going to use this one, but the idea is in the future, so you will not need to use this this file, because this file is going to give you a lot of example information, and it is going to charge your server with a lot of information. So that's not good, but in this case we are going to use it, so because it will be easier to understand for you. Okay, perfect. So now we are going to upload that file. So we have to come here to appearance, themes, and add new. Okay, upload, choose file, and we are going to select our file. and install now. So it can take a couple of minutes. That's depend of the number of files that the the folder have. Sometimes I get confused Spanish and English. Spoke both. Okay, so let's see. So just be sure don't refresh this page when you are uploading a new WordPress template. I forgot to tell you, but if you have some question, please send me an email. I will leave my email in the description of this video, or you can also write a comment. Okay, perfect. So now it's ready. Now we have three options. So we can return to the templates page, famous page, activate, or we can have a preview. So in this case we are going to activate. Perfect. So now we are going to refresh our website and we will see what happened. So now, as you can see here, we have the style of the website, but it doesn't look very nice. So it doesn't look like this one. So that's not a problem. So that's the reason why we are going to use our WordPress examples database. Okay, so we have to come here, tools, then import. So I have to click there. Then from here we are going to select WordPress. So we have to install one plugin. So then we will delete it. So install now. So okay, let's see. Remember that it is a little bit slow because it's a free server. Okay, activate plugin and run importer. So we have to click in here. Now we are going to select the file that we extract from the template. This one is at the end it said XML. Open and upload file and import. It can take a couple of minutes. So right here we can see the process. 60, 70. Well, this is faster than another one. Okay, it's ready. So now here we have to select which user we want to seek of this all this information. We have the default user, and we have to click in here, download and import file attachments, and submit. Now we have to wait. WordPress is going to get all the examples, images, menus, and all that information. So in that way we can play with the information and it will be easier to understand how the configuration is made. This is very good option if you are starting in this well, now we have a mistake here, but that's no problem. If you are starting in the WordPress world. Okay, we have this mistake here. Look, this happened because sometimes the server, well, we have a free server and probably the server that we have now doesn't have a lot of space. But if you have a professional server, so this problem is not going to happen. So, but that's no problem. That's no problem. So we are going to see what files we got and start to work with that information. Okay, internal row, blah 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 blah. So there's no problem. Okay, now we are going to see if we got some information. So let's see. No one. Okay, let's start from zero. Okay, first thing that we are going to do, I'm going to learn how to work with this template because I haven't worked with this one before, and the examples, I think so WordPress didn't export the examples well, but we are going to see how it works. Okay, first thing that we are going to do is we are going to add a new page, and this page will be the home page. Okay, home, we have to write here home, and here we will have some information. Okay, we have here this page can be a blog file, but we will need homepage style. We have here different styles, so we are going to try which one is the better. Okay, we are going to select this one, and custom background, so we will see. Okay, now we have to publish. And so we have now to come here. Let's see, reading, and we are going to select this one, the home page, and save. Now we're going to see what happened. As you see here, now we have the home page. Okay, so now we are going to create a menu. This menu is going, in this case, by example, I'm going to create some page, one for contact us or another one for who we are, things like that. Okay, publish. I'm going to create another one. It will be who we are. I don't know, over tours. Well, if we start from the beginning without examples, will be better because you will understand how everything works. Probably it will take a little bit more time, but will be better. Okay, so now we have 3 page, a static page, and now we are going to create a menu. So we have to come here to let's see, appearance and menu. Okay, here we are going to create a menu. This is the home menu, and save. Okay, so now we are going to select this page, our tours, who we are, contact us, and home, and add to the menu. So here we can play with this option. So we can of course we are going to put home first, but if you like to put our tour first, you can feel free to do it. Same location and the header, and clicking here. Okay, so now we are going to save this menu, and now we are going to see what happened here. If we have some menu in some part. Okay, as you can see, now we have our menu. Of course, if we click in here, so the page is empty because we didn't put any information. Okay, so now we learned how to create a menu. Okay, so now we are going to see okay, dressing galleries. So I think so we are going to put some nice gallery here. This one, this option take us to the top, so we are going to change this. Okay, the logo, so we are going to use a little bit of Photoshop. This is not a Photoshop class, but I will try to show you some tips how to create a nice logo. So we will see we have enough time. And now I want to create one more option here. Let's see, I'm going to create an option for blog. It's for news. because it's very important to create fresh content for our website. So in that way, Google and other search engine will find us very well, better, will find us better, so it will be easier for them. Okay, now we're going to create this post. So we have to come here, categories, and well, we're going to delete all of this. Delete and apply. Okay, perfect. And this one is I don't know, news, blog mejor, better, blog. Okay, blog information and category. Perfect. So now we are going to come to menu again, and if you see here, we have the categories too. Select all, and we have here blog. Okay, save, and now we should have that option here, so we have to refresh. Okay, and here it is. The difference between blog, well, between categories and a static page is, on a static page we are going to put information that we are not going to change most of the time, but with a blog we are going to create new information every day or once a week, or that's depend of you. Okay, we have here a nice option, blog categories. Okay, so this, it will be a really nice option, so I will show you why. So let's come again to post, then categories, and we are going to create some another categories. For example, canopy. So you can leave it like that, but I like to put the name here too, but if you don't like, so just leave it like that. Fishing, sport fishing. Oh well, fishing is better. Fishing, and I don't know, aerial tram, and one more, I don't know, ATVs ride. Okay, so now we will see what happens. So let's see, now we will see what happened here. We should have some categories here. Okay, now I understand. So this is what happened. We have here the blog, and here the blog categories. If we publish one post, so the category will show here in this area. That will be better for our clients, so they will find all the information by category. By example, we are going to create a post, so we have to come here, add a new post, and by example, fishing trips. So I'm going to use this kind of content, because this class is just to show you how you can make a website, but you can enter your original content here. I'm going to use this content. This is just to create content. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, and here we are going to select our category. Okay, first thing, so we, for example, you wrote all your information about the tour, so now we are going to put here this is the information. You can upload a picture if you like. For example, you can come here to media and select file, let's see if I have a picture here. So I don't have a picture, but we are going to download a picture. Fishing trips. It's very important that if you like to upload a picture, try to compress the picture. So I'm going to leave I'm going to put a link of a website, this one. It's very good to compress images, because sometimes images are too heavy for our website, and if you start to upload heavy images, so it will be your website will be too slow. Okay, let's first download a picture, for example this one, this man with this mahi fish. Okay, so we have to come here and select our Imagen. Okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see here, our Imagen is 246 and now it's 72, so it's 71% optimization, or I don't know how you say in English, but well, the thing is, it's better. Show in folder. I have to delete this Imagen. Okay, perfect. So now we are going to select our Imagen. Here is. So then, well, look, this is all the information that I told you, that the sport program, I don't know how you say it's well, the default images that the template upload. So we are going to delete all these images because it takes space on our server. So here is, this is a SEO tip. So try to put, by example, we will see this in the next classes, but I will try to put a name, a description name, by example, fishing trips Costa Rica, a description name. Don't leave the default name of the picture. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is the Imagen. It's too small. We are going to, here you can select the size. For example, this one is bigger, and here you can play with the size. Look. Okay, perfect. By example, I'm going to leave this, I'm going to put this Imagen like this side. Here you can move the Imagen to the left, to the right. I'm going to put it in the center. Okay, let's see. Here we are going to select the category. In this case, it's fishing. Okay, so this is the default Imagen. So we are going to put the same Imagen, and let's see, enable, disable Imagen single, blah blah blah, video link if you have a video from YouTube or Vimeo, whatever. And we are going to publish. This is an example, remember, so try to put original content here. Never copy content of others' website, because if you do that, Google is going to penalize your site. Try to put original, put original content, 100% original content, and that way you will not have problem with search engine optimization. Okay, if we click here in blog, we will see that now we have that option. Okay, this is by month, blah blah blah. Okay, so we will see how to show that here, but if you see here, here's the fishing category. If we click here, it will take us to the fishing post that we made. Okay, here's with the date and the information. You know what, we can use this option too for tours. Maybe it will be a good option. Okay, here is where people can share the information with Facebook, Twitter, but we will show you how to change this in the future. Comments, so we will show you how to change this to how to I don't know how to put this menu on in a better position. Okay, so now we learned how to create a post, how to create a menu too. And okay, let's see how many minutes I have. 24. Okay, I will show you something else. Okay, let's see. To create a post, how to create a static page, compress Imagen, and well, so we will show you the last thing for this class. I will try to put a nice picture here, nice gallery. So we have to come galleries, I assume, and add a new gallery. Let's use a gallery that we have. Let's see what we can do. Gallery. Okay, let's sample gallery. It is a travel. So let's see if it works. So by example, let's use this one, select, and let's publish. So let's see what happened. Okay, now I understand. This is the gallery for this area. Now you're learning how to create a gallery. So this is the gallery for this area. Here you can put some information if you like. I'm going to use another this content again. Okay, update. So in the next class I will show you how to create some categories for the gallery. Okay, now we refresh. So let's see something. Okay, perfect. So here's the information that we can put for each Imagen. Okay, so now you're learning how to create the gallery. We are going to create 2 more. So now quickly we are going to add a new. This one will be example 2. Again, this content, I don't know, we will be, for example, travel. So we will change these categories. We are going to select pay Imagen, so we're going to select this one, but you can select the Imagen that you like. Okay, perfect. And the number 3. Again, example 3. It will be travel 2 and this image. Let's see which one. Example, this one. Okay, and publish. So now we should have 3 images here. Okay, there it is. There are 3. So I think so we will need 1 more. So okay, 1 more. Example 4. Content, travel, default Imagen, this one from Machu Picchu, publish, and refresh. Perfect. Now we have 3 nice galleries. So I will show you how you can change some information inside of the gallery. Well, if you want to change this information, you only have to change this content. So that's easy. Okay, and last thing, let's see if we can put some slider here. So for that we have to come to slider. Let's see how we can find that option. Testimonials. What is inspiration? Inspirations. Okay, let's see what it is. Sample 1. Going to put this Imagen here, some content, so we will see what it is. Okay, so now we are going to refresh the website and we will see what is that. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't change. Okay, no problem. So we will see for what is this option. Now let's see how to create a slide gallery in this area. Okay, so home. Sometimes it's in the home. Okay, here is gallery. Okay, now I know how to create it. So we have to come to home. Here is the effect that we want. So in this case, slide down, and here we can select from blocks or from another content galleries. This is for the time of this show only one category. Okay, we are going to here we are going to select our gallery category. Okay, let's see. Okay, first thing that we are going to do is come to galleries category. Okay, here we are going to slider create, and we have to come here to gallery, add new gallery, and slider 1. Slider 1. So we are not going to put information here by the moment. So we can select one from our examples, or if you want to upload one, you can upload the Imagen from here. Okay, this one, and slider publish, and see what. Now we're going to see what happened. We don't have it yet. Okay, let's see something. Okay, let's see. Galleries. Slider 1, we are going to delete it. And now we are going to the home page again. Home. So now we are going to try with the default category, which is travel. Now this is how you can make a website. You have to try it, see if something works, if something doesn't work. So that's part of learning. Okay, let's see something if it works. Okay, now it doesn't work. Okay, slider doesn't work. Okay, let's see if we change the default page. Maybe that work. Okay, now, okay, perfect. So we have to select in this area for the home page. So I selected this one, home page style 2. We have to select the default home page and update. So as you can see, here is the other part of the menu, which is this one. Okay, and now we are going to create a gallery. Let's see. Okay, gallery. Gallery. Okay, show only gallery. So let's see, travel, if it works with this option. Update. Okay, still showing it showed this, but we want to show another gallery. Okay, well, I think so. I'm going to find out how the gallery exactly work, and for the next class for tomorrow I will show you how to create a nice slider like this one. So I think it's not complicated, but I have to find how it's work exactly, so I don't want to spend a lot of time trying to find how it's work. So okay, by the moment this is all for this class. So we'll learn how to create the menu, how to upload the template, and to create this gallery here, this option, this other menu here. Tomorrow we will learn how to create the slider and how to start to enter more content to the website, and some important plugins that we are going to upload. Okay, remember to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, and leave your comments, so I will try to answer all your questions as soon as possible. Okay, bye.